My husband has no idea I'm doing this, but I'm redoing our bedroom wall before he gets home today as a surprise to him. Starting with this accent wall I found online and was obsessed with. It's a woman-owned company, Luxe Architectural, and they make these super easy DIY kits. It's actually the same molding a professional would use, just in a much simpler DIY format. I'm excited to use these because they seem really user-friendly. I'm like a level 1 DIY girly, but I wanted to make our room more cozy and relaxing, so I'm excited to try this kit out. Okay, now it's time to measure everything and make sure it's aligned properly. Also, apparently, I don't know how to use a measuring tape because what in the world is happening right now? It would not stay straight. And I was immediately humbled when I had to do simple math. I said 4 plus 2 was 8. Are you kidding me? My 6-year-old was like, Mom, that's wrong. I do love that these are pre cut and have easy measurements though, because that made it so much easier. Okay, first pieces are going up, and I'm so excited. I love how easy these can pop on and off, especially if I make a mistake. This is starting to look really great. I did have to use a table saw to cut around the outlet, which I had no idea how to do at first, but I figured it out. Next, I needed to caulk the edges. My mom called for her daily chat with my children, so that helped me have a little bit of extra focus time to quickly get the caulking done. It was here that I realized DIYs take forever, and I don't know if I'm going to finish before my husband gets home. Caulking definitely took the longest to do, which I wasn't expecting. Then we quickly got to painting. This is what my kids were waiting for all day. They were so excited for this. I ended up using a milk paint by General Finishes. It's an eco-friendly, non-toxic paint that is literally made from milk protein, which is so cool. It goes on so smooth, and I love this color. I'm so excited to see how this turns out. It started to get a little later, and my husband did end up coming home before I was finished, but thankfully he had his own DIY project that he was working on outside, so he didn't come in the house to see anything. I did tell him that there was a surprise in the room, so he couldn't go in there for a night. This was the second coat of paint. It is so pretty. How do we feel about this painting here? Feels like it fits perfectly. I think I'll add this tomorrow. Good morning. Let's finish the wall today. The last thing we needed to do were all the edges. I thought I could do really clean lines using my square paintbrush, but that didn't work out so well, so now we're adding tape and painting everything. I continue to be humbled during this project. This is starting to look so good though, and I can't believe how easy and beautiful the molding is from Luxe Architectural. Now it's time to add the picture frame, put the bed back in, and wait for my husband to come home. Okay, wait, stay right there. You can open your eyes.
Wow. Oh my goodness. That's good, Brett. Wow.
Isn't that great?
That looks awesome. It like completely changes the room. And it like color matches our pillow too.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. Looks professional.
We both painted.
Quality approved.
And look, we both made the bag.
That looks good.
Glad you like it.
I don't like it. I love it.